Reducing support load with self-service options is one of the most effective ways to streamline your customer service and free up your team for more complex issues. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that with a few simple steps, so you can cut down on repetitive support requests and improve overall efficiency. First, you need to start by identifying common customer questions or issues. These are the ones that can easily be handled without needing a direct interaction with a support agent. Think of things like product troubleshooting, account management, or general FAQs. By identifying these, you're one step closer to freeing up your team. Next, make sure you have the right tools in place to create a knowledge base or FAQ section on your website. This is a huge time saver for both your team and your customers. A well-organized knowledge base can solve problems before they even reach your support team. Organize your content clearly, use simple language, and make it easily searchable. This will drastically reduce the number of repetitive queries that come in. You can also implement an automated chatbot that handles basic questions in real time. While this might sound a little high-tech, it's actually a simple and efficient way to resolve simple problems. These chatbots can be available 24/7 and instantly provide answers to your customers' most common questions, saving your support team time and effort. But it's not just about automating responses. You can also give customers the ability to self-serve their account management tasks. Things like resetting passwords, updating billing information, or tracking orders should be possible with minimal interaction. Providing these options in an easy-to-use dashboard will encourage your customers to take care of these tasks themselves, reducing the need for support inquiries. Incorporating self-service in your mobile app is another effective way to lighten the load on your support team. If your app includes features that let customers access their accounts, view their history, or request services, they're more likely to handle issues on their own instead of reaching out for help. Of course, the right software can tie all of this together. The software we'll be using today for this process is simple to integrate and has a bunch of features that help create self-service options, like a knowledge base, ticketing system, and chatbots. Plus, if you're looking to follow along and try it for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial in the description below. This is only available for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Let's talk about the key takeaway. Reducing support load with self-service options isn't just about automating processes. It's about empowering your customers to solve their own problems. By implementing a knowledge base, self-service portals, and chatbots, you'll drastically reduce repetitive support tickets and allow your team to focus on more valuable tasks. To recap, first identify your most common customer issues, then create a knowledge base or FAQ section, use chatbots to automate responses, and provide self-service account management options. And remember, check out the free trial in the description if you want to see this software in action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.